Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. So this is our second lecture of social studies. In the previous lecture we discussed about the maps, their kinds, which were physical maps, political maps, relief maps, how to read longitude and latitude. Then we read about how to study a map, directions, create keys, and how to use an atlas. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about world climate, the difference between weather and climate, and how climate affect people. So this is the chapter we are going to read today. First of all, I will discuss the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of heat and cold, humidity and cloudiness, dryness or rain in any place. What the weather is, weather हमें क्या बताता है कि डे टू डे कंडीशन क्या है. जिस तरह हम प्रिडिक्ट करते हैं कि आज बारिश होगी, आज बारिश नहीं होगी, it will be hot today, it will be cold today. So these all things are known as weather. These all things are known as weather. But what a climate is? Climate is the weather conditions in an area over a long period of time. Climate is also a weather condition, लेकिन जो एक एरिया में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए, जिस तरह सर्दी है, सर्दी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए आती है, ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए जो वेदर कंडीशन होती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज क्लाइमेट. दैट इज़ नोन एज क्लाइमेट. और हमें पता है अर्थ में हर जगह पे डिफरेंट क्लाइमेट होता है. हमारे पास हर जगह क्लाइमेट सेम नहीं होता. A place close to the North Pole or the South Pole is very cold throughout the year. अब जो नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल के इर्द गिर्द इलाके हैं हमारे पास, वहाँ पे पूरा साल क्या होता है, वहाँ पे सर्दी होती है हमारे पास. एंड द प्लेसेस विच आर क्लोज टू इक्वेटर इज यूजुअली वेरी हॉट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. स्टूडेंट्स, इक्वेटर इज द लाइन विच डिवाइड द अर्थ इंटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. लुक एट दिस मैप. दिस इज द लाइन at 0 degree, which is known as equator. Here is north direction, here is south direction, east and west. And what we discussed, that in north regions and south regions there is winter throughout the year, और वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है पूरा साल. But the regions which are near to equators, look at this. This is the equator line. सो जो रीजन इसके आसपास होते हैं वहाँ पे थ्रू आउट द ईयर क्या होता है, वहाँ पे गर्मी होती है. देयर इज समर थ्रू आउट द ईयर. हियर आर द कलर्स विच आर स्पेसिफिक फॉर वेरी हॉट एंड वेरी वेट. दिस इज द पिंक कलर. देन हॉट एंड वेट, पर्पल. येलो कलर इज शोइंग वेरी हॉट एंड वेरी ड्राई regions. Warm regions, brown color is showing warm and wet regions. Cool and dry and then very cold. Look at this map. The next thing we will discuss, that is how climate affects people. How climate affects people. As you know, the people who are living in cold regions, they wear the clothes made up of wool. And the people who are living in warm climate, the people prefers to wear cotton clothes which are light in weight and absorbable. The next thing we are going to discuss is about the climate of Pakistan. As you know, the Pakistan lies to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Pakistan is basically lied in northern hemisphere, so due to which the climate in all places of the Pakistan is quite different. Usually the hottest month is June. Here are the few facts and figures about average temperature and annual rainfall in different regions of Pakistan, different cities of Pakistan. As you can see in this table, Jacobabad 15.1, 36 January mein what is the temperature there, that is about 15.1, and in June that is 36.9. And what is the average rainfall, that is 110.4 millimeter annual rainfall. The figures given in the table are average temperatures. Some places have very severe winters and temperatures can drop very low. Look at this. In Quetta, in winter, the average the temperature can fall minus 2 degrees, minus 2 degrees. The temperature in Quetta has been as low as minus 16 degrees in winters. Temperatures in summer can also be well above the average. Jacobabad once recorded a temperature of 53 Celsius. So these are the climatic conditions at different places of the Pakistan. You can see in this table. Now we will discuss about climate change. आपने नोट किया होगा when we were child, जब हम छोटे थे तो क्या होता था, सर्दियाँ ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए आती थी, ठीक है, और गर्मियाँ भी थी लेकिन सर्दियाँ ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए आती थी. बट नाउ व्हाट हैपन ड्यू टू क्लाइमेट चेंज, क्या होता जा रहा है, सर्दियों का ड्यूरेशन कम होता जा रहा है और गर्मियों का ड्यूरेशन बढ़ता जा रहा है हमारे पास. वाई? दिस इज़ ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज. Climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of regions or on a global scale. From the mid to late 20th century onwards, the increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperatures on Earth. So why the temperature is rising on the Earth? It's because of the carbon dioxide. The addition of carbon dioxide to the air is increasing the temperature on Earth. The impact of climate change is becoming evident around the world. The use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Agriculture and deforestation and the manufacture of cement, chemicals and metals are also contributing to the increase in greenhouse gases. These all are the factors which are affecting and major cause of increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Now we will discuss about greenhouse effect. As you know, some of the rays, some of the heat, sunlight. Now we will discuss about the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, basically what is it? Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach the earth's surface. As you know, these gases allow, इससे क्या होता है, सूरज की सनलाइट है, जो धूप है वो ज़मीन तक आती है, लेकिन क्या होता है, धूप की वो क्वांटिटी, सनलाइट की वो क्वांटिटी विच इज़ मैंडेटरी फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ लाइफ, वो ज़मीन पर रह जाती है और बाकी क्या होता है, बाकी स्पेस में वापस चली जाती है. बट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग दीज डेज इज दिस ट्रैपिंग ऑफ हीट inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. When these gases are kept in the right amount, they trap just enough heat to keep the earth warm for life to survive. Without greenhouse gases, the earth would be very chilly with temperature falling to minus 17 Celsius. The greenhouse gases allow the right amount of sunlight to be kept on the earth, which is very important factor for the survival of life on the earth. But if there will be no greenhouse gases, what will happen? The temperature of the earth will fall to minus 17 Celsius, which is not good for the survival of life. Now, what is the effect of greenhouse gases on climate? Changing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to a warming or cooling of the climate system. अब ग्रीन हाउस सिस्टम जो गैसेस हैं, इनके क्या है, अमाउंट कभी ज़्यादा कभी कम, तो उससे क्या अफेक्ट आता है, या तो क्लाइमेट बहुत ज़्यादा सर्द हो रहा है हमारे पास, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा हो रहा है, और क्या, या तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो रहा है. An increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases the greenhouse effect, which is creating global warming and bringing about climate change. The main reason for climate change and global warming is the increase in the greenhouse effect. And why is this happening? This is happening because of burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. The burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal and natural gas produces carbon dioxide. We know that when we use petrol, coal and natural gases, it produces carbon dioxide, which is increasing day by day in the air, which is not good for us. Almost all types of transport run on petrol. Coal is used as an energy resource in power plants. Similarly, factories and mills that run on fossil fuel release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Due to rapid industrial development all around the world, more vehicles are being added to the roads and more industries are being set up. As a result, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increasing. We know that burning of fuel, causes smoke in the air, which is the major cause of carbon dioxide in the air, and which is not good, for us. In it is causing greenhouse effect, and what it is also a major cause of global warming. Deforestation. When we cut down trees, that cutting of trees is known as deforestation, This is the another reason for the increasing of the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Number of forests on Earth is decreasing. As you know, the trees clean our airs. As trees acts as the lungs of the Earth, they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air, which is important to make the air clean. We breathe in. This way, the air gets purified. Since there are not as many trees to do this for us, carbon dioxide is getting added to the atmosphere and not being replaced with oxygen. When we cut, क्या होता है, हम लोग कटिंग कर रहे हैं ट्रीज़ की, चाहे वो किसी भी हम लोग वजह से कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड बनाने के लिए, घर बनाने के लिए, उससे होता क्या है, हमारे पास जो नंबर ऑफ़ ट्रीज़ हैं वो कम हो रहे हैं. ट्रीज़ का व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक फंक्शन ऑफ ट्रीज़ करते क्या हैं, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को इनहेल करते हैं. व्हाट दे एक्सहेल, ऑक्सीजन इज़ द गैस वी यूज़ टू ब्रीथ इन. अब क्या हो रहा है, दरख्त कम हो रहे हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम यूज़ हो रही है और ऑक्सीजन कम प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो द मेजर रीज़न फॉर इंक्रीजिंग लेवल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन एयर. Now we will discuss about the ways which can help to reduce the effects of climate change. First, be energy efficient. उतनी एनर्जी इस्तेमाल करें जिसकी ज़रूरत है, उसको वेस्ट मत करें. यूज़ लेस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, टर्न ऑफ द लाइट्स when nobody is in the room, use energy efficient lighting. Save water by turning off taps when not in use. Completely turn off electrical appliances such as computers and televisions when they are not in use. Plant more trees because trees absorb carbon dioxide. Walk or use a bicycle rather than traveling in vehicles whenever you can. Dry clothes under the sun instead of using a clothes dryer. Recycle paper, metal, glass, and some plastic can be recycled. Just bin it. Do not just bin it. Buy less plastic. When photocopying or printing, use both sides of the paper. Wash clothes in cold or warm water, not hot water. Use the minimum amount of detergents for washing, as more detergents means more rinsing. Be aware of what happens to your rubbish. Keep stuff out of landfill sites. Kitchen and garden waste can be composted. Recycle. So these are the ways which can help us to affect lessen the effect of climate change. So this is all what we read about. So after completing the reading, what you will do your notebook work. The first thing you will write is the key vocabulary words, which are humidity, equator, and deforestation. Then you will do these question answers on your notebook, which are what are the sum of the factors that influence climate. The factors are latitude, altitude, distance from sea, pressure and wind, and ocean currents. The next thing is, what is climate change? Climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of regions or on a global scale. What is the greenhouse effect? We discussed already about these things in reading. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. Some of the sunlight is captured as heat on Earth and some of it goes back towards space. This trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. We already discussed about greenhouse effect. So this is your notebook work. You will note down these keywords and question answers on your notebook. This is all for your today's lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.